Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. It's GRWM here with my sister Tajanice. And we're just going to get ready as we answer some questions. Let me see what Google said. How old are you?
27.
And I'm 23.
Do you know how old you are?
Almost. Who is the most immature between you?
You. She been getting on my nerves since 1995.
Girl, please, you couldn't even think in 1990. Oh, well, you could.
Yeah.
You was 4, you right. Who has the tidiest room? I do.
Cause it's
time for you. Give your excuse as to why your room is dirty.
It's at the tightest room. It ain't nothing about my room.
Girl, shut. What's your nickname? Your nickname is Nunu.
Yes.
And my nickname is Lady. Which sport are you good at?
All of it.
Anything, like anything. Throw me in, coach.
Right. Now, which sport do I like?
Right.
Different.
What are your hobbies? Sleeping. I guess my hobby is recording and editing and stuff. It's 3 common things between us.
We're both black.
We're brothers. We're happy and we're singing and we're colored. Give me a high five.
Who can drive well between you guys? Me. Because I never got in an accident before. You have. But I have hit some things.
I haven't been in an accident in a really long time.
About a year ago.
No.
What year was that? I mean, you got hit.
That wasn't my fault.
But that was last year.
The insurance said that's 100% not my fault. Well, nothing like. Does my skin look clear?
It look alright. We gotta see the finished product.
We gotta hurry up.
We really do. Funniest memory with your sibling? Probably Las Vegas, huh?
Anytime when there's drinks
involved. 3 things we both do well. I feel like there's one that
we both do well, like we both do that.
We
one
both
thing.
sing.
Do well. Huh?
Yes. You know I can sing.
No. We both sing, but only one of us sings well.
Well, let's hear you.
Girl.
Give us something little. You can't think of nothing?
Girl. Just no. You do not do that well.
I'll answer a clip because I got one.
No, I ain't right. No, for what I did to you, baby.
I got a clip of myself too.
He told me that he loved me. He told me I was.
Which place you both like to visit? We still trying to figure it out.
Hawaii.
Which one is best for our monies?
Hawaii.
Is the question.
Indonesia.
Who spends more time to get ready for a party? We're gonna see. I'm just about almost done.
No. Today does not count because I'm looking at a tutorial.
Who is braver among you?
It depends.
On what?
What is there to be brave about?
Well, I think I'm brave. Like when you think of adventurous stuff, like jumping out of a plane and stuff, I would do that before you. Not saying I would do it, but I would do it before you.
No, you wouldn't.
How you know?
Because I would totally do that.
Oh,
period.
Since when? What?
I told you when I'm 90.
Who is friendlier? I think we the same. You know, it's difficult.
I ain't gonna lie to kick it because I don't kick it with you.
No way.
We are both friendly. However, we're not the gotta be friends with
We're not a people. We're not people.
Yeah.
Who is a good speaker? We both be speaking.
Getting it from God. It doesn't matter how much I'm giving out. He's going to continue to supply me. That's what God is telling you to move. Yeah. You cannot stay where you are.
What was the last issue you both fought on? When you blamed me for leaving the shower.
And you did it again. I can't wait for you to bring it up again.
So right now?
Not right now, but it was another day. You did it again. I was like, would I be petty for bringing it up today?
You would be petty because I'm sure I didn't do it.
So, no, you did do it.
Which was the last movie you both watched together? Bird Box? Black Mirror. We tried to watch Black Mirror. What was the last gift you gave your sister? Christmas.
What did you get me?
I got you a nice little air fryer, earrings. That's all you got for Christmas? Last thing you both cooked together?
Nothing.
Yeah, we have.
What we cooked together?
All them times you be calling me in the kitchen to help you out. I don't remember what it was, but it was too many times. Too many times for my liking. Do you remember your first feelings when you saw me when I was born?
Nope.
Told you was too young to have thoughts.
But I do remember eventually thinking, dang, imagine how life would have been if I was the only child.
I'm sure you did have that thought. And it would have been, life would have been boring. Okay, let's do about 5 more questions. Then we're going to fast forward to our finished look. Your grossest memory of your sibling in childhood.
I know a grossest memory.
What?
I don't know if I should share that.
Whisper it in my ear.
When I stop and lap. Top pape, top lapu boppy.
The red one. Would you trust your sibling's choice if she chose a spouse for you?
I would trust her choice in character.
I can do it. Looks. You can't judge off of folks I talk to. You know, emotions get you.
Exactly.
I ain't gonna be emotionally attached to your man. Do you think your sibling would change if she became a millionaire?
I would give more.
You hear her talk about herself? Well, I'm just but that's what I would do too. That's the change I would make.
Do I think he would change?
Girl, shut up. What are the 2 proud moments involving your sibling? 2 proud moments? Well, she just graduated from USC with her
She just started grad school.
MSW.
I'm usually pretty proud when she gets up there and speaks at church.
Oh yeah,
You know,
that's
I
a
have
proud moment.
That's my sister.
Right.
Moment. Sometimes when I hear her speak about stuff, period, I'll be like, you know what? That girl is smart. Can't tell her that. Can't
Thank you. Thank you for saying I was intelligent. Okay, we're gonna be back when we done.
Oh Lord, what am I doing?
Let me say bye.
Bye.
You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. This body baby, oh. This body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah.
Y'all wanna see how these baby hairs is laid? Give me a moment. There we go. Show them how these baby hairs is laid, Nuna. Oh, they not laid the right way. It was a little bit messed up. Shut up! You a hater. One of my haters with my motivators. Okay.
Flexibility. That's how I want to say it. Nope.
Okay. Tutu, and what do I usually say at the end of my videos?
I don't know.
I
I know you do this.
Subscribe
There you go,
to
you're
my
doing it
channel. Like the video. And I'll see you in my next video.
What she said.
Call on me, I go give you all of me, all of me. Baby, make you follow me, follow me. I go give you all of me, all of me. On my toe, Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want it.